Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to share your Google Sheet file on WhatsApp or any other messaging app, then you simply need to open Google Drive on your web browser. In your Google Drive, open the file you want to share. Now after opening the file, click on this share button. Now here you need to click on restricted and select the option anyone with the link. Now from here you can change the option. By default it is available for view, or if you want that other person can make changes to this file, then you simply need to select editor. Now copy the link. Now you can share this link on WhatsApp or any other messaging app. I just show you. Now in WhatsApp, search for the person with whom you want to share this file. Now paste the link and click on the send button. Now the person having this link can open your Google Sheet file. So friends, like this you can very easily share your Google Sheet on WhatsApp or any other messaging app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.